Hey, what's up guys, it's Bonfire again and welcome back to part 3 of my Firework stash for 2020. So what we've got here is the Imperial Selection Box by Bright Star, as you can see over there. And I'm just going to take you a quick look through of what you get in this box. So yeah, let's have a look. So let's start over this side with these few paintings here. We've got a couple of cone paintings, the silver and gold Mount Etna, and then these two cuckoos here, you can see there. And then we come to this smaller painting, which is Empty Etna or Mount Etna. And then we've got these mines. This is the gold mine, Crackling Rainbow mine, and multi-ground air bomb mine. You see there. And then we've got these bigger paintings, vibrant flowers. .3 grams of NAC in that. So you get two of them. Here's the other one, vibrant flowers. And then we've got this fountain, which is Paradise. What is it? Paradise Beach. There. And then we got two of these fabulous fountains. There. I think. Oh. 39 grams. And we have these 3 Roman candles. There's 2 colour Roman candles and 1 comet tail Roman candle there. We've got this big Starfinder, which is 56 shot. There, 56 shot. And there's, where is it? 28 grams of NAC in there. There's red, green, yellow and blue petals. Next we'll come to this Twin Happiness fountain. This is pretty light, so yeah, they're only 16.4 grams in there. And we've got these 19 shot cakes here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Silver Salvo, Rainbow Report, Missile Attack, Colour Blitz and Blue Battalion. Yeah, so 5 of them. Then we have these shot single shot tubes, green tail to green palm, 14.5 grams. And this one is the Starbuster, green tail to green fish, and this one's only got 10.6 grams in that one. Next we do these wheels. This is the Razzmatazz Wheel. What we usually do is take these off the wheel and use them as fountains, because wheels don't usually work that much. But we might give the wheel a go this year, see if it's gonna work. But if not, then we'll just take the others off there. Plus this is just one box. We've got another box under here, as you can see there, because we got these from Latif's buy one get one free. So we've got 2 of these huge boxes. So next we've got this Oriental Stars that you get in it, 96 shot, red, green and crackling stars, and there's 68.1 grams in there. Now this 150 shot missile cake, air raid, and it's whistling to crackling, and there's 108 grams of NEC in that. I don't know if you can see that because of the packaging, but 108 grams there for 150 shots. You can get these two wheels as well. There's no names on them, I don't think. No, there's no names, but we get them two wheels as well. And finally, we get this, the Supershot, which is actually a fountain battery. There. I thought it was a small cake, but it's not. Red, green, crackling stars. I had to take the top off that one to see if the tubes was okay, as you can see, because of the packaging is gone in a bit. So I might just leave that like that, or put some cling film over the top or whatever. But yeah, that's all the fountains, Roman candles and wheels you get in this Imperial box. But also you get some rockets, as you can see here. 4 packs of rockets you get in this box. So these are the Trailblazers. These are the biggest in this box, as you can see there. 72 grams in all them. So there's the Trailblazers. There's the second biggest one, which is the Master Blaster rockets. And there's 85 grams in them. Yeah, and the third biggest, I think, are these, which are the Space Explorer. $55 grams in them. And finally, we have these, the smallest ones, which are the Stargazer. And there's 55 grams in them as well. Is that the same? Yeah, the same as the Space Explorer ones. So, yeah, them are the same. So yeah, that's the Imperial Selection Box from Latif's Buy One Get One Free. So I'll show you again under there. We got a second one. So yeah, just open this one to show you guys what's included in the box. So yeah, all them and them rockets. So yeah, this is part 3 of the Firework stash. I have got some more, but I'm gonna include them in a separate video for part 4. So we'll show you part 4 in the next day or two. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and yeah, stay safe.